Hi, honeys. How's your go? Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going pretty good. I got vertigo today. I don't feel so hot. I'm even dizzy sitting down. And usually I'm not dizzy when I sit down when I got vertigo. It comes and goes. And I was supposed to be traveling today. I couldn't go nowhere. But anyway, I'm going to show y'all the stuff that I find helpful in diamond painting. That's a hobby I just took up, and I love it. Okay, stuff that I find useful. The first thing is a light box or a light pad. This is my A3 light pad. That's the size of it, A3. Got this from Amazon, and I will put a link. And I've already reviewed this, so look for that video where I describe it and everything. It has a built-in stand, but I usually been using it flat, just laying flat, but I can put it on the stand if I want to. Okay. This is useful. Now maybe y'all young folks may not need this, but I need this. Okay, this lights up and it shows the symbols and the letters that you're supposed to be putting these beads on. Let me see if y'all can see this on here. See the, I don't know if you can see the symbols and stuff. And even with this, I still have to put my glasses on. Okay? So a light pad is would be very helpful. In my case, it's a necessity. So yeah, it's needed. Okay. This is the diamond painting, my very first one that I finished. And I love it. I'm going to put some stuff on it to finish it off. Then I don't know if I'm going to frame it or not, or just put them in a book. Okay, this is the one I'm working on now. Let me turn it off so you can see it better. Different colored trees. And it still has the plastic cover on here. You're not supposed to take it off until you finish, because this stuff under here that holds the beads is very, very sticky, and you don't want dust and dog hair, cat hair and stuff sticking to your canvas. So I leave that on here until I'm just about through. Okay, something else that's useful. In my case, I say it's a necessity. You need a diamond painting storage kit. Hold all your stuff. And I reviewed this. I'll put the links to that video. And you need these little containers. Well, I need them. I like these better than just the plastic baggies to put the beads in. I like these. Okay. Something else you need, even though each kit comes with, what's that thing? Each kit that you buy is going to come with this. The basic little drill tray, this drill pen, and a pat of wax. You may get 2 pats of wax, depending on how big the painting is. You're going to get this. And this is what I used until I got this kit. And I got this. This is a game changer here, y'all. Because put the beads in here. You shake them a little bit so they'll straighten out. Put your finger over that so the beads don't come out. And when you get ready to pour the beads back in here, it has its own little funnel. And they go in there without going all over the place. You also need tweezers, because you're gonna stick the beads in upside down. Sometimes you pick up 2 beads with your drill pen. Pick up 2 by accident, and one may fall on that canvas. And once it falls on there, it's gonna stick. So you need the tweezers to get it off of there. Okay. Something else that's needed. Of course, you're gonna need some little scissors. You're gonna need, I need this. This is a little vacuum. You're gonna spill your beads, yeah. I don't care how careful you are. You're gonna spill them. You hear that? This picks up the beads. And they go into here. So you just dump them into that big white tray I just showed you and pour them back to where they belong. Very nice. It takes 2 AA batteries. And this came in a set of 2. I got this from Amazon. Came with the blue one and the pink one. So I'm just using the pink one. And it came with this here thing, a brush, and a little, I don't know what that is. I'm gonna open it right now and show you. Or should that be another video? I'll show y'all. I never used it. Okay. Came with this thing. Goes on the bottom of here. Oh, that would be more helpful. And picking up, pinpointing the beads. Okay. I'll start using that. Very nice. Okay. So I got 2 of those, one for each little vacuum. Okay, very nice and useful and helpful. And it comes with a little brush also. Okay, something else that's useful. I bought me some more of these waxes. I like the color, so I bought this. You don't have to go all out and do this, but it looked cute to me, and I do use it, so I bought it. Come on, close. Okay. Somebody had recommended these micro glue dots. I started using these before I used the wax. These didn't work for me at all. And a lot of people highly recommend these. Not me. They're too strong. You put that on the tip of your drill pen and you try to, it'll pick up your bead or your drill. Then when you try to put it down on your canvas, it's going to pull it back up because it's so strong. And you have to keep adjusting and readjusting and doing this to make it not so tacky. That didn't work for me. I like the wax. I have no problem with the kind of wax that they send. This didn't work for me. Okay. You're going to want to graduate to another type of drill pen. They give you these kind of things with each kit, and they do work. Okay. This is what I bought. I had to buy it because I didn't have it before. I don't remember buying it, but I have ordered a couple more. The larger ones, I like the offset tip like that. That way you can pinpoint where you want to pick up the bead and where you're going to place it. It comes with 2 sides. The straight tip and this. And there are some tips that you can place 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beads at one time. I got some around here somewhere. Now they don't work for me. or maybe I haven't got adept at using them yet. Because when I put them on there, something, maybe one or two, gonna be kicked up, and it's gonna take more time for me to fix it. And I don't want to be doing all that. So I don't mind just placing bead by bead by bead, just one at a time. I don't mind. I ain't in no hurry. Okay. Something else that's very useful until you get the little plastic storage containers with a top. When you open up your packets of beads, they come in little plastic packages, and you snip the end off to pull your beads out. You want to seal that bag back up. This is a little mini bag sealer, and it works. That's until you get your kit with the bottles, with the screw on top. Okay, something else that you may find helpful that I ain't got to worry about no more, but I ain't already bought this. These little things. Them things, they go on the end of these drill pins that they give you. Make it more comfortable. Okay? So I think Amazon may be getting these back, because I don't need these anymore since I got this. This is more comfortable in my hand. It just is. And and I found a set of diamond paintings on Amazon, and I had 6 in the set for under $20, and they're good, y'all. They're good, and they come with everything you need to get started. And once you do get started, and you know you like this habit, or you know you like this hobby, then you can start buying stuff, okay? But don't go hog wild buying light pads and kits and cases and all that until you're sure that you're going to like it. Because this hobby can get pretty expensive if you let it. So I think that's everything. And you're going to need a Sharpie, which mostly everybody has, to label the tops of your containers. Okay. So that's my video for things that you're going to need. Helpful things and necessary things you're going to need for diamond painting. That's what I've learned. I've only been doing this for less than a week. Okay. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Okay.